Happy Friday to you all. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my channel. So today we are making smoked Nigerian Jollof Rice. So for now I am preparing the recipe that I'll be using. The ingredients: we are using chili. If you want your jollof rice to have that reddish color, you understand? You know that jollof rice is so red, you use this. And I'm also using fresh tomato, and I am using tomato puree as well, tomato paste. Yes. So first of all, I'm taking off the seed. I'm taking off the seed from this chili. Look at it. You see? You know why I'm taking it off? Because I don't want the jollof rice to taste sour. You know when you taste jollof rice and it's giving you one kind slap. So I don't want it like that. That's why I'm taking it out. I'll remove all of them and I'll blend them together and cook them. I'll make sure that I cook them so that I will not have that sour taste, you understand? After that, then I'll start frying my tomato for the jollof rice. So stay tuned. I'll be right back if I finish taking all the seed out. So I'm going to cook this tomato and chili. I'm going to parboil it before I blend them.